The car has been a staple of our lives for over a century, but now, it's undergoing a radical transformation. We're not just talking about faster engines or new cup holders. This is a complete rewrite of what a car is. The shift from gasoline to electric, from mechanical to software-driven, and from human drivers to autonomous intelligence is happening now. Concepts once reserved for sci-fi, self-driving cars, living room interiors, even flying vehicles, are becoming reality. This isn't just about new features, it's about redefining mobility itself. In this video, we'll explore how technology is reshaping the car for 2030 and beyond. From batteries to AI, from design to purpose, the future is closer than you think. Buckle up, let's dive in. The electric revolution is here and it's changing everything. The internal combustion engine is giving way to electric vehicles, quieter, cleaner, and more efficient. Governments are pushing for zero-emission cars, but it's not just about regulations. EVs deliver instant torque, rapid acceleration, and require far less maintenance. No oil changes, no exhaust systems. Early concerns about range and charging are fading fast. Battery technology has leapt forward, with most EVs now offering over 300 miles per charge. Charging networks are expanding and fast chargers can top up your battery in minutes. The real breakthrough? Solid-state batteries. These promise even greater range, up to 700 miles, and ultra-fast charging, all while being safer and more energy-dense. Major automakers and startups are racing to bring solid-state batteries to market by 2030. This leap will power not just cars but trucks, planes, and the entire renewable energy grid. The electric car of 2030 will be quieter, quicker, cheaper to run, and finally free us from gasoline for good. The battery is the foundation for all the other innovations we'll see. The future of mobility is electric, and it's already accelerating. The transition is inevitable, and the benefits are undeniable. Soon the electric car won't just be an alternative, it'll be the obvious choice. The era of gasoline is ending. The next chapter is powered by electrons. The revolution is rolling out now, and it's just the beginning. Electric cars are just the start. The real leap is autonomy. Self-driving technology is moving from science fiction to reality, with AI learning to navigate our unpredictable world.